podcast number 5, but we don't have our microphones, and it's gonna be like 2 minutes long kasi I don't have storage anymore, but we're in UST.
Yes!
Yeah. Saan siya napunta? Ayan pala. So, yeah, we told you guys last podcast. Next podcast, nasa loob yan. Vlogcast.
I just learned the most heartbreaking news.
May nalaman. Guys, it's the day before our grad shoot and we just wanted to vlog this moment. We're having a Din Tai Fung date. Yum!
We deserve it after the sleeper.
True, that's true. And vlogception. So cute. This is my last piece, guys. It's the best thing ever, and I ate them in like under 3 minutes. So good. It's too good.
I'm resting because wait, what is it? I'm resting because I really want the chocolate chip.
Oh.
So this is what I do. So I take one. Hindi yung hita. I take one, and then I get rock salt, please. I put it on my plate. Okay, on my plate.
This is her Choco XLB ritual.
I know. Nakatawag yung
Guys, panoorin nyo na lang.
Hindi ka nila kita. There.
Xiaolongbao sponsor. I mean, Din Tai Fung. Din Tai Fung sponsor us.
Okay, pick it up.
Hi everyone. It's our grad pic shoot today and I just got my casuals done. My creative shot done. And now I will fit my toga. And my friends are also fixing their themselves right now. Guys, di talaga ako marunong mag-pose. Naiya ako. Pero mamaya, try ko mag-video. Ay, tak.
Video pa, ma'am? Pwede nyo na ba?
Lagay ko po. Pwede ang What can you say, man? Happy graduation.
Bye, ate Dayo! Alam, Manro.
Chinese ka na. Yung huling post ko nakakatawa dun.
I'll retouch lipstick.
What can you say?
Oh, so emotional. When we're with the birthday girl, happy birthday.
Thank you, Lord. Sorry. Pero hindi ko pala, ayoko pala ng pagiging sex.
Is it your casual shirt?
Yeah, can you help me?
Is it casual mo? Yeah. Hi, Jat is here. Everyone.
Hi.
And guys, we're done with the grad shoot. Jat isn't done yet. He's on another day.
Ano plan mo?
He got a good date. But
for one picture.
diba kuya was so nice sa creative. Yay! We're gonna eat the...
Kanina nakita akong
Mas mabait mo yung director
sa creative, diba?
Para mas siya pa yung magbibigay ng
Oo,
idea.
tas
dapat siya
sobrang...
yung nasa toga.
Oo, yay! Everyone! Sorry.
graduate is done!
Yeah! Happy graduation!
Yes!
Pwede na akong pumangit ulit!
Guys, ganda ko.
Sana makita ko na crush ko ng
Parang natawa kayo. Shout out to Joyce for doing my makeup. Ay!
Kinulayan buhok mo?
Hindi. Tingnan mo kita tuloy yung roots,
Hindi yan
no?
kita sa picture.
Saka sana
Sa taas
edit
naman eh.
nila. Gawa ko thirst
Sabi ni
trap.
Pat kanina, oh yeah, I really like your hair.
Ang funny kasi sabi niya bigla, magkatabi kasi kami sa pila. Tapos sabi niya, di mo pala.
Tagal naman. Tapos na ata.
O sige, wait lang.
Diba?
Di kasi kayo nagpipay attention.
Aba! Before
Pero
that,
napili ko ito na. Matatatlong thirst trap na. Hi everyone, it's... That sounds... We are in Yabu. So, kakatapos lang ng shoot. Well, kanina pa siya tapos, pero kain kami na.
oh my God, picture ako ako dyan.
Just
Dito ako.
here I guess. Manro and Tina Marie. That boy is corrupt. I have to leave at 4:30 and I'll bring you guys with me. May power bank pa yun. Pwede pa yun. Hindi mo gagamitin. Chat, kuha ka oh.
Guys, we're gonna do 10 yen cheese ball.
Ten yen cheese ball.
Mozza stick. Kasi mag-pull na siya mag-isa.
May tulong. Kaya pa nila. Because girl, like, no one's consistent.
Ano kasi sila ngayon? Totoo. Parang more on team sila ngayon.
Paano ko na
Dati kasi
ita-10
magaling
yen
sila
cheese ball na
individually, pero ang
pull na
pangit
siya
ng
mag-isa?
chemistry.
Maganda yung communication nila.
Paano ko siya ita-10 yen cheese ball? Nag-pull na siya mag-isa.
Free as mozzarella stick.
Kasi sometimes tulog
Other end na lang.
Yeah, say, ano, yung consistent yung jowa.
Thank you for that title. Guys, by the way, kanina nandito si Bea De Leon. Sorry.
Nasa likod mo.
Lumabas. Hi, everyone. I think hindi ganun kaganda yung lighting, but whatever. So, it's currently 10:40 and I'm about to start studying. Ngayon pa lang. I'm about to start studying. But before that, I wanted to make a matcha latte. A cup of matcha. That's what I wanted to say. So, I'm very, very excited because I'm going to be trying out this matcha that Julesy got me. Thank you very much, Julesy and Tita. So this is my very, very first can of like real, or like ceremonial matcha. So I'm so excited. Okay, and I'm also going to be trying out the cereal milk that I made, but I think I soaked it too much. I'm probably going to be mixing it with normal oat milk also. So let's get started. Sarap. Totoo to. Ang sarap niya. Yung cereal milk, hindi naman siya masyadong lasang cereal. I feel like I should have opted for making the cereal milk syrup na lang. I can still do that. It's not too late. But I love the matcha. I feel like it's a bit more on like the vegetal side. Hey, me. Do I even know what that means? I don't know. But it's really good, guys. And this is without sweetener. Although nga, the cereal milk. But it doesn't really taste like cereal milk, even though I soaked it for like a day when it's supposed to be soaked for like 2 hours. Or maybe that's the problem, but I don't know. But what matters is this tastes really good, guys. And the color. Thank you so much, Julesy and Pita again. And happy birthday, Julesy. It's actually Julesie's birthday today. So, hi everyone. So we're making matcha. And look at Julesie's rack. So perfect.
It's a humble rack.
So cute. And kakatapos lang guys ng thesis meeting namin.
Yeah.
So, shout out to you, Sir Kent.
Our thesis advisor.
So, ginawa niya ako, tapos gagawin ko siya.
Yes, that's the goal.
Ito yun, juice.
Yes.
So, this is juice. Funny naman ang angle pala. We're gonna show you our matcha. I forgot we were vlogging. Pero ang ganda.
Galing mo mag-matcha, sis.
And yung layerings niya.
Perfect.
Perfect yun siya.
Matcha party. Hey, guys.
Oh.
We're having a matcha party.
Yeah, guys.
Ay, may mic ako.
Yeah. It's so official.
True.
Wow, it looks so legit. Oh.
Totoo.
Okay.
This is
Look at her straw. So cute, guys.
First time ko ito gagamitin. Mula sa
Yay.
packaging.
Ito yung sa'yo.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh my God. Guys, ang galing ni siya. Can you see the layers? Saka nag-mix na. Sorry.
Nauna kasi gumawa si Jules, guys.
Bite mo naman.
Totoo naman.
Ang
Ang ganda ng kulay. Grabe yung kulay nung sa kanya, no? Sobrang deep.
Ang
3 grams lang din yan.
Ang galing. Ayan, ano naman yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan niya. Basta ito siya.
Ang ganda na ano niya, guys.
Kung ano man ibig
Thin.
sabihin. Ito. Doon parang 85 yung milk niyan.
Okay.
Okay. Masarap nga siya. Masarap nga din to.
Ang sarap din.
Sorry if I close doors on you. Nasa milk. Ito siya.
Pero masarap din siya,
Masarap
no?
siya. Masarap.
Pero maano mo talaga na pag iba't ibang matcha yung tinatry mo.
Mm-mm.
Iba-iba talaga sila ng flavor profile.
Totoo.
Kaya ganun.
Like, merong mas bitter, merong mas ano.
Tapos parang yung iba-ibang notes nga na parang mas vegetal. Yung isa-isa naman mas
Nutty.
nutty.
Oo!
Diba?
Oh,
Guys, ang galing naman.
parang mas nutty yan.
Oo. Ito
No.
medyo mas vegetal
Totoo.
yung atake niya.
Grassy
Pero parang
siya.
sila masarap. Oo, mas nutty to. Pero masarap
Diba?
nga to.
Ang sarap, diba?
Mm. Parang refreshing siya. Ganun
Nakakatawa
na
yung mami ko kasi sobrang ano siya, parang hindi niya kasi alam kung ano yung matcha.
So,
Tapos
basta
ano
may
yung-
matcha,
Oo, sabi niya,
kukunin
"Ito
niya yan.
parang matcha to." Parang gano'n siya sa kumuha lang.
Pero ang saya pala talaga tingnan nung pag ang dami.
Kahit nga siguro kung walang laman itong mga ito, ilalagay ko sila dun.
Display mo. oo,
Totoo.
ano?
Kasi ito inopen ko to. Pero kasi, alam ko nang medyo ano siya, like, so-so quality. Kasi, in English, ano na siya. Like, ang
hindi
target
siya-
market niya yung mga gusto mag-try.
Oo. Saka parang yung nakikiano sa trend.
Ito, hindi mo, yung amoy niya, parang seaweed.
Oo nga, seaweed.
Diba?
Pero
Tas
di
parang-
may ibang matcha nga na ganun yung...
Oo.
Saka parang yung color niya, hindi ganun
Bright,
ka-vibrant
oo.
as... Parang galing! Mag-start na kami ng official YouTube channel just for matcha. Uy, totoo.
Totoo.
Mag-start tayo page.
Tapos mag-take tayo ng matcha classes. Para talagang legit
Tapos
tayo.
invite na nila. Laging ganito yung plano na. Seryoso na to.
Totoo.
Seryoso na talaga.
Sarap.
Guys.
Ang bilis ng matcha sa akin. Pero isang,
Ako din.
isang ganunan lang siya
Tapos
lang.
minsan nakakadalawang gawa ko. Inaano ko kasi yung caffeine.
Yun nga. Kaya nga, 3 grams na lang siya. Kasi dati, 5 grams ako mag-matcha. At sabi ko, parang hindi na
Kung
siya
isang beses
lumalasa.
ka pati siguro. Ano.
Oo. Pero tama lang yung 3 grams sa 80 ml.
Ako di ko mini-measure yung gatas ko. Pero start ko na siya measure. Kasi
may
parang mas
difference siya.
consistent pati yung lasa talaga ng matcha.
Tsaka may difference siya. Tapos mas ano daw, kapag malaki yung block of ice, kasi, di ba natutunaw siya, so nagiging watery kapag maliliit. Pag daw malaki, hindi daw mabilis matunaw.
Oo nga, no?
Malamig lang. Ganun.
Magiging
Nakanood ko to ng TikTok Reels.
walang lasa tuloy pag maliliit yung ice na gamit.
Dadilute siya agad.
Ganyan.
Ito feeling ko, ang problema ko sa kanila, hindi ko kasi sila mabasa. So,
Price
ko
ba
alam
sila
kung-
nito?
parang magka-brand sila.
Hindi
Diba?
kaya Hojicha to?
Buksan natin.
Sige, buksan. Ako, na-try mo na ba yung hojicha?
Ang na-try kong hojicha sa got bake.
Ako din.
Masarap siya.
Masarap siya.
Masarap siya.
Para siyang
Refreshing
very
siya.
creamy, deep yung flavor
Oo.
niya.
Tapos,
Parang pa-chocolate na siya, pero hindi quite.
pero masarap.
Masarap
Gusto ko
siya.
Lahat sila source sa Japan. Tsaka, kapag hindi yun galing ng Japan, wala, hindi naman pareho yung temperature sa Japan tsaka sa Pilipinas. So, ang crucial ng temp sa matcha.
October 14 daw restock, 8 p.m. Nakasulat.
Okay. Imanda
Pipin
kayo
ko to sa messenger natin. Siguraduhin
Oo,
niyo
te.
lang,
Go.
Hey.
Hey guys, we're risking the matcha. Magagawa natin yan soon pag may shop na ta.
Yeah.
Guys,
Feeling ko yun talaga calling.
hindi siya feeling ko
Feeling ko
din.
business. Ano. Wow, tingnan niyo yung kulay.
That's so crazy,
What
bro.
the heck? Grabe, sobrang deep ng kulay.
Oh,
Kaya sorry, ang pangit ng camera nung, ay,
Ano
ang
ba?
pangit ng quality ng camera ko. Di ko kasi nadala yung, by the way, sa thesis natin mag-vlog talaga.
good love matcha sa this.
Diba, yung mga matcha shakers, nakikita mo ba?
Yung sa airport.
Nagganon sa bangka.
Hi, Sir Ken.
Sir, do you want? Guys, sobrang deep ng color.
Grabe, guys.
Grabe.
Bebenta na.
Ang funny, ba't ganun sa, yung sa camera ko mukhang sobrang laki ng baso.
Lasa-lasa.
Nag-react lang. Try.
Hindi, may lasa naman siya. Subtle. Subtle? Nutty din. Anong mas
Parang
nutty?
mas
Ito.
creamy siya.
Oo.
Na,
Yun.
Pero,
Grabe, bouquet.
Uy, parang, masarap siya. Parang may bigla siyang tumatamis sa dulo.
Talaga?
Try mo ulit. Ay, baka ko. Baka ako lang yun.
Hindi, gets ko yung
May something,
mild,
oo.
sweet
Pero
tones.
very mild. Parang mas mild nutty siya compared
dun sa
isa.
green.
Oo.
Tapos mas onti pagatas nito. So, ibig
Parang
sabihin,
masarap siya.
sweet-sweet lang siya.
Oo, meron siyang
Hindi ako
mas
makatulog
matamis
ito
siya.
mamaya. Ang bala ko pa, mag-uwi pa ako ng matcha sa bahay
Ah.
para ganyan sa
Oo.
bahay. Sabi ng mami ko, yung pala yun. Hindi niya alam kasi. Yung pala
Para
ginagawa ko.
matutuwa sila pag nakita nila na ganyan, na pinagkakaabala. Pero diba,
Kaya
kaysa
pala
naman
di ka na
iba.
lumalabas masyado. Yeah.
Pero masaya talaga siya, guys.
True.
Yum. Okay, guys, tigil muna namin yung vlog.
Yes.
Thank you for coming with us.
Thank you, everybody.
And to more matcha vlogs.
Soon!
Yeah, as heck.
Uy,
Follow
serious,
our
hanap
page.
ako nun.
Seryoso din talaga.
Gagawa ako.
Maker of world-class quality Pride detergent. Champion.
Hi everyone! It's 2:19 and dito kami ni Jack sa Yellow Cab. What branch?
Spanish. And Laksa. Intersect.
Hopefully you can hear us kasi
I think we can hear.
low-bat kasi yung mic guys. 0%.
Oh no.
Sobrang OA ni Jack guys. Kanina pa siya tapos hindi po. Tapos ano, naubo siya. Kasi anyways, magsisimba kami actually. Kaya dapat hindi nang iinis ng
Yeah,
kapwa.
exactly.
Kasi it
Second
defeats the
opposite.
purpose of going to
No.
church.
Yun nga yung point.
So may iinis ka para
Nonsense. Before the trip.
mag-rage bait max ka pa bago. Ano ba yun? So i-review namin yung branch dito guys. Kasi may branch ng Yellow Cab near Katipunan. I mean in Katipunan. So
Parang mas well-maintained dito compared to, kasi mas maliit yung branch na to. Pero doon, parang medyo luma yung vibes niya.
yeah.
Walang
Pero medyo maas.
Walang couch pala.
Meron naman.
Parang pangit lang.
Tapos may pupuntahan kaming cafe after guys. Nakita namin sa TikTok. Gusto namin puntahan. And kakatapos na ng NMAT namin. So,
Oh my God, yes. Post-NMAT to, kaya pwede na kang mag-legal.
di na kami mahihiya mag-post ng kasayahan sa buhay kasi post-NMAT. Medyo sensitive topic siya guys. Huwag na muna natin post. So, kanina bumili si Jeff ng Summit saka Snickers para mabarya niya yung... Grabe, sobrang yaman niya. 1,000 lang kasi yung bills niya. So, tapos hindi kami na-scam ng trike yata. Parang hindi tayo na.
Kasi alam natin kung
Oo
saan tayo
nga.
pupunta.
I think yun yung test. Kabisado kasi ni John. So, anong gagawin mo sa cafe?
Bigyan na yun. Wala.
On a Sunday, guys.
Iko, later, mag-journal lang ako ng TikTok.
I wanted to bring my journal also, but I ran out of the glue. So, I didn't bring it na lang. Nakapag-journal ka ba ever during...
No.
Hindi masyado, no? Hindi talaga nakafocus at all sa ganyang bagay. Para mag-review ka na lang kaysa
Sabi ko pa naman, isang one time, mag-journal ako kasi ang dami kong dinadamdam for never ko yung ginawa. Ngayon nakalimutan ko na yung feelings. Ayun, so it's okay.
Okay, ako naman guys, mag-e-edit ako ng vlogs kasi sobrang dami ko ng clips talaga. Tapos hindi ko pa siya ever kasi nga busy. Tapos parang ayoko naman i-post na ang dami kong ganap sa life. Tapos nag-end what, gano'n, diba? Para may sockets ba?
Guys, what do you think of Nisha's makeup? Parang USD.
Ano yan guys?
Nisha Bubulas.
Yeah. Pero grabe talaga yung ano nila. I think mas pakak pa nga yung makeup nila sa akin. Mas light pa itong ano ko. Pag nakakita kami mamaya guys, gagano namin.
Ganito yung makeup.
And guys, magsisimba kami sa loob ng USD. So we're gonna bring you. Pero meron na akong clips from last time na pumunta tayo. Pero hindi ko pa siya na e-edit. So yun yung gagawin ko. Feeling ko, wait lang. Your power lunch. Hey, nandito na yung food namin. Thank you po. Yum. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. Thank you. Excited na ako magkape. So guys, ang saya namin kasi sa school din this week, hindi masyadong busy. So parang talagang hell week talaga last week. As in, I'm insane. Nung one day, meron akong reporting ng IE. Ulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa everyone, pero sabihin ko ulit. One day, may reporting ako ng IE. Tuesday, nag-med-micro every day, diba? Tapos Wednesday, grad pic shoot. Tapos pa ng boss ko, walang pakit. Wednesday, Thursday, ANAFI quiz. Pero di naman, like, more on case study naman siya. So medyo mas chill. Tapos Thursday, Friday, aquatic nutrition long test. Tapos Saturday, MM lang. Tapos NMAT on Sunday. Tapos Saturday yung NMAT ni John, guys.
Yeah. Tapos nag-tryouts ako ng Friday, gabi for LG. Dito pangit ng laro. Hindi naman siya ganito pangit kasi wala kasing synergy. Like sila. Pero
so lahat naman ka-team mo nagta-tryout mo sila?
you dapat.
Eh di yung galing mo kasi MVP. Kasi yung sabi ko pinakamagaling sa
kami
kanila. Pero syempre iba yun.
Sa game na yun, tama kami. Nakamba kami.
So guys, kung nag-ML kayo, comment mo. Comment. Hi everyone, we are now in Utopia Cafe. What did you get?
Ano nga ito?
Bonfire something.
Yeah, I think bonfire. Okay. I can see. Okay, cut mo lang. Yes. Ang pangit ng mga wire. Ito siya. Cut this. Bonfire ata siya. Tapos ito kainin siya. Sea salt.
No.
And sea salt. Bonfire yung sa akin or campfire. I don't remember.
Guys, so far, ang cute ng cafe. It's what? It is dark. What does Utopia mean?
Like happy. Yes, please.
Kabalik tayo ng dystopia.
Parang diba? Pag-utopia pa lang.
Well, dapat garden na lang. So, siyang garden. Did you know?
How do you drink?
How do you what?
How do you drink pag weekend? Separate lang siya.
Yeah.
Yes, so.
Okay, he's gonna try it, guys. Wow. May pa-dip pa yun siyang nalalaman.
Kaya ko din doon sa bahay.
ASMR. If I only charged my mic, I'm so sorry, guys.
Hindi ba
I'm gonna try
na-charge mo?
mine. Very quickly only.
Ito
This
sa akin
is
na
the sea salt latte. Okay, sea salt latte. Guys, sobrang okay ni Jot lately. Hindi ko alam yung meron sa kanya. But I think it's good first price because it's just 180. The cream naman, it's very sea salty. Alam mo, sea salt latte. Which is akala. Feeling ko maganda daw yung... Ay, isang nipis ng kilay ko. Shinave kasi ng makeup artist. Pero okay naman, gusto ko siya ganyan. So as I was saying earlier, I'll show you guys the game. Kasi this video is made possible by the sponsored na. Katawa. It's called, again, Foodie Sizzle. I play this all the time. Di ba, Jath? Lagi. Like, all the freaking time. Hindi naman.
Hindi ko naman gets. Anong nakakain?
Alo, pag nilaro mo din, magigets mo. Di mo kasi nilaro. Caught in 4K. I mean, in 1080p.
That's my account.
Sure. Sayang, hindi nakatapat yung camera. So, maganda sana if lagay ko yung camera dun sa table. Gusto ko yung vibes dito, actually.
Parang utopic.
Oh my gosh! Nag-run na yung time, guys.
Oh no, natalo ka na.
Gameplay.
Nice one, bro. Pakita mo sa audio.
Wait, na-pressure ako.
Talo ka na, boy.
Feeling ko nakatulong to sa perceptual acuity.
Hindi nabulag sa perceptual.
Grabe talaga yun. Doon ako na alam mo yung, siya pa yung pinakaunang section. So parang yun, I mean, part 1. So parang pagdating, yung 10-minute break, nakagano na. Hindi na ako tumayo. Actually, nag-ask ako permission to get water. Tapos sabi niya, no lang. Na-live stream namin yung misa para sa
Illegal.
Anong illegal? Pwede yun.
Illegal yun.
Sa Facebook ko pa yun. Ayoko na pala guys, nahirap laro. And my other favorite game is this game called Vita Mahjong. And Jody was the one who taught me about this game. And it's essentially the same thing because you just have to match. Yun. Guess where we are. Nakakatawa yun.
Yung hindi tinanggap yung offering mo ng
Ang
first
funny.
Buti na lang.
Funny. Wait guys, look. Burn USD. So nice. Lagyan natin dito para makita nila tayo. Ang funny kasi dalawa kami ni ate. As in, nakaganon na kami. Tapos sabi ni ate, sa inyo na yan.
Tumawa din yung
Kaya nagtawa, sabi niya, hindi niya din kinuha yung akin. Sabi niya. Hi everyone, guess where we are. Hindi pala tayo nakamic.
vlog. Since directly siya sa lights, so may shadow sa front namin.
Pero kung
Yo! Oh my god, no! Where?
ano yung sinasabi ng multo dito?
I don't know.
No, you don't. You just don't want to on it. That's why you're not saying it. I'll say it. Ole or something.
No! Don't say that. I don't.
But it, tama ba?
I don't get it. Bakit oli talking?
Because that's what it chants.
Really?
Yeah.
Ew.
So if you hear something like that
Mm-hmm.
later when you're
Where?
sobrang
No.
ganas naman.
Ayoko.
Over naman. Anyways, guys, kung hindi nyo narinig kanina kasi hindi kami nakamay kanina, we were here in UST and it's our second time
Inside.
inside UST because we also went
to
here,
Mass
went
last
to
week.
Mass here last week before our NMAT, and Jat finished his NMAT yesterday and I finished my NMAT today, and
Lord.
hopefully we get really high PRs. Please pray for that as
Saint
well.
Thomas Aquinas,
Yeah.
Saint Ignatius,
And UST for
Laura.
Jat, please. UERM for me. And someone is on their scooter.
I like it
Guys,
here.
I really want to buy UST merch, but
Me too. What
Close.
if pabili ako?
papakita ni Jot sa inyo yung UST na letters. Pakita mo sa kanila UST. Pero
Okay.
actually, ang daming nagpapapicture, guys.
Yes.
Kami nagpa-picture na kami last
UST
week.
letters. As you can
Yeah.
see,
Touring
the
his
infamous-
future
infamous?
school.
Like the famous UST
Yeah.
letters and the tiger.
And the tiger the new tiger, I think.
Yeah,
And then somewhere there is the,
old one.
what's it called? The arch.
Yes. Yeah,
Na
the
parang
arch.
tour guide.
Yes, the arch.
So where do we go now?
Same question. Gusto ko mo si or pwede ba mag-main building and I'm just kidding. There's...
Pwede naman siguro if magbabanyo ko or
Ayoko dyan yung may muson.
ole.
No,
Sino nasa likod mo?
it's St.
Sino
Thomas
yan
Aquinas,
kasama
yung statue
mo?
niya. There.
That's not behind you.
It is.
That's to your left.
It's behind me.
No. Behind you. Tara. Maghanap tayo toilet.
No, ayoko mag-toilet
Come
dito.
on!
No, ayoko.
Wala na sa main building lang siya.
Ayoko
Wala
pa
siya.
rin. No. I
Maihi
don't
na
want
lang
to.
siya sa
Yeah,
pants niya.
kaya ko yan.
Kaya nga mag-picture ka.
Ayoko. Daming
Oh my
nakapila.
gosh. Gusto mo antayin mo wala sila or wala?
No. Gusto mo ba? Mag-picture?
No, I don't
Picture
want.
kita.
I don't want. But that's the UST. That's the UST.
PSU?
That's-
Taga-PSU ka?
And look in each one of the windows there and tell us if you can see a girl.
No, may reflector naman. So,
Yeah, of a girl standing in the middle.
where?
Tignan mo yun.
Where?
Dun.
Wala naman eh.
Sayang, hindi siya nauuto, guys. Guys, gusto ko talaga yung campus nila.
Yeah. USD FMS, here we go. Here we come. Sa main
Look there,
building.
look there.
No. I'm scared. Pang-alum. Oh my God, ano yun?
Ano yun? Ano yun? Bakit
Bro.
masyado?
Bro.
Ayoko na, napagod ako. Hi guys, I'm taking a video on my phone because my SD card is currently here. Chat's gonna be trying Springboard's matcha. Sea salt matcha latte, by the way. I think that face said a lot, guys. How much was it? It's a bit pricier here, no, compared to... And I got the... I forgot. Finally editing my vlogs, guys. Not that anyone cares. Anaheim.